concrete color. Mix the different color volume and stir into the concrete material. This will keep the final stone have a stronger and multiple color performance. Second surface color, spraying color. This part includes 2 to 5 different ingredient color. Each ingredient color will be mixed in more than 5 basic colors. This will achieve special ingredient color on the final veneer stone. Post preparation for production. Semi-automatic production line presentation for veneer stone. Raw material feeding into the mixer and water supply, then mixing for 10 minutes. PLC screen touch cabinet. With function of time and weight dosing mode, it will make the concrete casting be easier and more accurate. Do more manpower saving. Surface color spraying work. Do the spot spraying by the mixed ingredient color at first, and then do the full spraying to cover all the most part. Floating the concrete and stacking on the pallet. Faster drying chamber. Drying heater. Demolding the stone from the silicon molds. Beautiful veneer stone.